Hello everyone. Good day to all of you. Today I have come here to tell you all a story. A story of a man who was married for 50 years and has never ever fought with his wife. Is it possible? Yes, maybe it is. And that is why this man became so viral all over. Everyone wanted to know his story. How come a man can be married for 50 years without even fighting? So, let us tell you what happened. So when people came to know that this man has been married for 50 long years and he has never fought with his wife, it became viral like I told you before. And there was press, there was media, there were people all around, and everyone came and asked, what is it? What is the reason for you? And then they decided, okay, let's not ask him the question like this. Let's call for a press conference. Let's call for the media, the public, and all the people around that place where he used to live. Everyone came and gathered around and made this place a very big event, a 50 years of marriage. When people fight for silly things, when they get divorced for small little things, this man has been successfully married for so many years. Let us ask him, what is the reason? So then they kept asking him on his 50th anniversary. They made the big pandal and everything, and they kept asking him a lot of questions. So he kept answering each and every one of them very humbly and very sweetly. But then finally they asked him the final question. They asked him, what is the secret behind your marriage and your not fighting with your wife for 50 long years? This man humbly kept quiet, and after a while he said, I will have to tell y'all a story to answer this question. I have to take you to the past when I got married and I took my wife for honeymoon. We went for honeymoon in the beautiful hills of Kashmir, and we were in that beautiful scenery. We were very much in love. She was beautiful, I was handsome, and we had a wonderful time together, unless that day when one day both of us decided to go on a horse ride. So my wife took her horse and I was on the other. We both were sitting on two horses and we started walking up in the hills. We were looking at each other. It was really romantic. In between, we were holding hands and it was beautiful. But my wife's horse was a little difficult. I don't know what happened. He jerked and my wife fell down from the horse. I am a man in love, so I went running to her. I said, darling, are you all right? Everything is okay? I was really concerned. Are you okay? Everything fine with you? My wife stood up, jerked herself, and moved out all the sand and dust, and then she smiled and said nothing. She went to the horse, patted the horse sweetly, and said, first time. I didn't understand why she said that, but then she got onto the horse again and we started riding, and we went a little far more, and then it was again that beautiful, there were fountains and it was marvelous. And then suddenly that horse out of the blue jerked again and my wife fell down again for the second time. I was really angry. I said, come on, let's finish this ride. We will go back. It's no point. Every time you're falling down, I'm scared you'll get hurt. Let's not continue this. But she didn't react. She smiled, stood up, patted the horse and said, second time. She got on top of the horse and she said she's fine, and we started moving again. And this time I was like, okay, she's fine. I am so lucky to have such a wife who can have such a lot of tolerance, is not getting angry on such situations. I would have got angry myself. And then we moved ahead to the hills and we kept walking. It was beautiful. And then again, suddenly the horse jerked and my wife fell down again. And I don't know what happened. She took out something from her purse. She took out a gun and she shot. She shot the horse. The horse was dead in front of me. She looked at the horse and she said, "Third time." She put her purse back and that was it. I was shocked. Literally, I did not know what to do. Anyway, we came back from the honeymoon and life was going well, and she was a very nice wife. She would do all the chores and I was always there for her. But then there was one day when the things at the office were not good and I had a bad day. I came to the house, she was in the drawing room watching TV and there was something going on, something stupid, and then I got very angry and all my anger came out on her and I shouted at her and I said, "What is wrong with you? What are you watching? There's a match going on. Why don't you give me the remote?" She stood up, took the remote, came close to me and said, "First time." After that, I've never ever fought with her ever. I always say thank you. I always say sorry. I always say please. I don't fight with her. She's a very nice wife. She's a very good human being. I'm very happy with her. And that is the secret of my marriage of 50 years. Thank you.